Most of you are probably familiar with the parallel park assist, but most of you probably don't know about the perpendicular park assist. So today, we're going to find out how easy it really is. Using your perpendicular parking is very easy. We're in a busy parking lot right now, so you just press the button here. You'll have your choice highlighted. So I want to do perpendicular. I will now proceed. And this whole time there's scanners just shooting to the right of this vehicle right now. So radar, and here we are. I place the vehicle in the reverse, take my hands off the wheel, and watch as that little arrow fills up. The whole time I'm only controlling gas and brake. Waiting for the command to drive forward, and again just gas and brake. Wow, that is so neat.